Okay, at this point, we're going to wait for the eggs to come to a nice boil. You can tell when it starts to roll a little bit, the water. Then you put a lid on it, turn the gas off, and you're going to set your timer for 10 minutes and walk away. Now after the 10 minutes, we're going to throw a towel over the hot pot and take it over to the sink. Run some nice cold water in the egg for a few minutes. And once you feel that the egg is cool enough to touch with your hand, crack it open. And I'm doing this one-handed, so one hand is recording and one hand is cracking. But you can see how easy this is, how this peels off, and it's because of the baking soda. It just makes for real easy work. Look at that, perfectly clean. And cut open, that is the perfect egg. Now, my question is, what am I going to do with all these shells? I see a craft project ahead. How about you?